Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Geoduck clam. First, let's prepare this unique seafood. Begin by blanching the geoduck in boiling water for about 10 to 20 seconds. This quick dip helps loosen the outer skin. Immediately transfer it to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Next, carefully remove the shell by cutting the adductor muscles. Finally, peel off the tough outer membrane from the siphon. It should come off cleanly. Now that your geoduck is cleaned, let's prepare it for cooking. First, separate the long siphon or neck from the round body, also known as the mantle. Discard any dark digestive organs. Next, slice the siphon lengthwise and rinse it thoroughly under cold water to remove any lingering sand or grit. For the best texture, thinly slice the siphon meat against the grain, aiming for pieces about 1/8 of an inch thick. This ensures a tender, enjoyable bite. Geoduck is incredibly versatile, but remember, it cooks very quickly. One popular method is to enjoy the thinly sliced siphon raw as sashimi, served with soy sauce and wasabi for a delicate, ocean-fresh taste. For cooked preparations, a quick stir-fry is excellent. Sauté the sliced siphon for just 30 to 45 seconds to keep it tender. The softer body meat is perfect for heartier dishes like chowders, or it can be grilled or pan-seared. To truly appreciate geoduck, presentation and pairing are key. If serving sashimi, arrange the delicate slices on a bed of ice to maintain their crisp texture and freshness. For stir-fried geoduck, complement its natural sweetness with fresh ginger, minced garlic, and a light, savory sauce. A sprinkle of fresh herbs, such as cilantro or thinly sliced scallions, adds a beautiful and aromatic finishing touch. Enjoy this unique and delicious delicacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.